I've been absolutely loving for like work and just going out. It's just really nice and simple, so easy. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this makeup look today, then please keep on watching. Before we get into it, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this makeup look and this hair and everything else, then please keep on watching.
Hi guys, so I'm going to be starting off with a fresh face, and for primer I'm using the YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer to smooth out my skin. I'm clipping back my hair now and then moving on to the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and this is in the shade Golden Amber. I'm just applying this to the skin and then I'm going to be blending out with a damp beauty blender. Then I'm just taking the P.Louise Rumour 2 base and devote to my base brush just to carve out my brows and my lid space. I'm just patting out this product just so it's nice and seamless, and also buffing it into my foundation with a buffing brush. Then I'm taking my NYX Matte bronzers in the shade Deep Tan, taking it on a blending brush and just buffing this into my crease. For concealer, I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible, this is in the shade Cashew. I'm just covering up any dark circles underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose and on my forehead, and just blending it out with a damp beauty sponge again. To set the concealer, I'm using my RCMA Loose translucent powder and just pressing this in underneath my eyes just for now. Moving on to contour, I'm using the iconic London Pigment stick in the shade 4.1 just to cream contour, and again blending this out with a beauty sponge. Next, I'm taking my MAC Mineralised Skin Finishes in the shade Dark Deep just to set my cream contour and also just to bronze up my skin and just give me a little bit of warmth. Be baking. I'm taking the same powder just to bake the sides of my nose and underneath my cheekbones, just give a little bit more structure, snatch up those contours, and I just love to bake every now and then. Then I'm just finishing off my under eye shadow using the same bronzer, and then I'm taking my NYX Matte liner. This is a new one for me and I absolutely love it. Just lining my lash line just to give that fullness effect before applying lashes. I'm just prepping my lashes here with some mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Before My Lashes. These are the Tatti Lashes TL1s, and then using a Primark white eyeliner just to put in my lower waterline, and then I'm just knocking off my bake from before. Then moving on to my doll Gimme Sun bronzer. I like to use this just to sharpen up areas of my contour, just give a little bit more lift underneath my cheekbones and usually just underneath my jawline as well. Then For blusher, I'm taking the L'Oreal Lysa Peach, another new one for me, and it's such a gorgeous peachy tone. I'm obsessed with it recently. For highlight today, I'm taking the OG. This is the Ofra Cosmetics Blissful highlighter. I'm just highlighting the bridge of my nose, my inner corner highlight, my cheekbones, and just areas of my forehead. And I just love this. It just literally makes you look like a glazed donut and just hits all the right places of your face. To set that, I'm just taking the Makeup Revolution Hydrate and Fix Spray just to set that in place before moving on to our lips. I'm just filling in my eyebrows quickly with the P.Louise Duo. This is the Browtiful Duo. It's new and I'm obsessed with it. This is the Espresso Brow Pencil and the Eyebrow Gel as well. For lips, I'm just outlining my lips with the lip liner in the shade Toast from Barry M. Then using my two favourite NYX Matte Soft Liquid Creams in the shade London and the shade Cario in the centre. Now the makeup look is finished, I'm going to move on to hair today. So I'm going to use the Foxylocks clip-in hair extensions. These are 26 inches and they are seamless, so you can just apply them into your hair and they will add some length to your natural hair. So I'm just unclipping the clips and just throwing it over my head and just applying it on the back of my hairline. So I like to apply this really close to the root and then also with the sides and the fronts. If you want to get any Foxylocks extensions, I do have a discount code which will last until the end of August, which is Fiona10. You can use this at checkout to get 10% off when you purchase anything off the website. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up. Love you as always, and I'll see you in my next one.